with the hierarchy in place for all of the controllers, I just want to go ahead and freeze transforms on all of these controls. And pretty much what that means is, if we do something like rotate this car drift control, and we've rotated by say 100 degrees, which just told me there, and I want to get this back to 0, back to its default neutral position, remembering that I rotated 100 degrees is going to be next to impossible once I've gone something like that, and I literally have no idea what that was. Without doing without hitting undo, I don't really know how to get back to that position. So there's an easy way to fix this, and it's really good for any of your controls in your rig, so you should use it as much as possible. And I do it as soon as I've parented stuff together. I will go ahead and use this technique just so that I can always get back to a default 0 position. So I'm going to grab the car root control, and I'm just going to double click it, and that's going to grab both itself and all of its children. And really quick and simple, if you just hold down Alt and right click, you will get something that's called freeze transformation in this top left quad window. So let's just do that. You can see a warning box that's telling me, hey, do you really want to do this? And what this is going to do is it's going to add a 0 controller to the rotations and the position of this guy. So let's just go ahead and do it. That's what I want to do. And let's say if we just grab this drift control again, go back to the motion panel, let's look at the assign controllers rollout. With the position, you can see that we've added 0 position XYZ, which is in here, and rotation we've got a 0 Euler XYZ as well, and that's been added. And that's exactly what that last thing that we just did, the hold down Alt, right click, and go to freeze transform, that's all that did was add in 0 positions. So what does that mean for an animator or someone using this? Well, if I rotate this and I turn off my angle snap so I don't really know how much I've done, and I rotate around here, and let's say I even move it way over here, and I want to get back to where the original position was, well, I hold down Alt, I right click, and you go transform to 0. Boom. So that jumps it right back to the same place, and because we double clicked on this guy and we did it with everything, it doesn't matter what we have. So if we move this around, the steering control, somewhere random and arbitrary, hold down Alt, right click, transform to 0, it's going to pop it right back to its default neutral position, and that's exactly what we want for our controllers.